Hi all, this is Chola Crypto, and we will review Anchor project Anchor, the Anchor token today, and this is a good project. They are the leader in decentralized infrastructure, so they compete with a lot of other big names in the industry. So Anchor has also got a decentralized marketplace and is one of the best solutions around for Web3 infrastructure as far as I know. So let's see what Anchor is currently trading at. Anchor is trading at 0.02 cents. And first of all, Anchor, as I told you, it's a decentralized blockchain infrastructure provider that operates nodes globally. So as a developer or a DApp developer, you can use Anchor nodes which connects to the other blockchains like Polygon, Phantom, other layer one chains, Ethereum, and as a developer, you can use these nodes and you can write and read data in those networks. That's what Anchor does. Instead of relying on a centralized entity, we can do it through Anchor in a decentralized manner. It's very easier. As an individual, you can also the deploy nodes in Anchor, and it will be cost effective as well. So that's pretty much on the Anchor from the technical front. Technically, I don't want to dig into the details of what it does, but it's a good project. These nodes are called as RPC nodes that they use, or like through APIs they connect uh, to other networks. So leaving it there, so it makes staking and everything. I just don't want to get into the founders level. It is a project where I noticed there was some traction last year, and it did well in the bull cycle. Hopefully, it will do better in the next cycle, is what my understanding is. Technically, it's very strong. It will survive the bear market, and fundamentally, it's a strong project. So now, given the fact the total supply is 10 billion and 9 billion in circulation, that's huge supply in circulation. So overall, in the previous run, it did a top of say 11 cents, which is not so great, but it's a good project. Where can we see next is what we can always think about Anchor. So here, just to understand a little bit, in the last one it did 18 cents. It topped 18 cents. There is a 10x potential here when the market moves upside. Overall, we talked about the technicals and what they are doing. The supply is also huge. Let's get into their ecosystem and see where they are. Okay, I'll find who benefits from Anchor Network. Industries, DeFi protocols, blockchain games, NFT markets. Let's just quickly check this. Layer on blockchains, data indexes. So all these are available here. What's coming soon? Node providers. Provide your full node Power Web3 development and earn Anchor for every request served. That's a good one. Anyone who meets our technical criteria can run a node. So if you are eligible to run a node, you can run a node here. Staking is also available. You can stake it here, get more Anchor coins. Overall, it's a good project. Technically, very strong project. There are some competitors for Anchor. If you want to just have a look at the white paper and the node provider details, you can look into it. So it has got a strong team, good developers working on it. I think they are doing close to 8 to 10 billion transactions. I think that's what they have reported some time back. I'm not able to really recollect what the number is, but they did really well overall. So said all that is fine. Technically strong project. Supply is huge. With that supply, the movement of the price will also be slow. Where do we see Phantom? Sorry, not Phantom. Where do we see Anchor from here on? So, when the market moves, the first threshold that we need to beat is 0.03 cents. And if we beat 0.03, from there on, we are straight away going to 0.05 cents is what my target would be for Anchor. So guys, so 0.05 is a reasonable number when the market moves. It has got huge supply. So based on that supply and the previous run, it did say about 20 cents, but the market is not going to be that aggressive for Bitcoin or things to move fast. I'm predicting in Q1 Anchor will be at 5 cents. First threshold would be 0.03 cents. We need to pass that quick and go to 5 cents. It's very much in sight, but I'm really not worried about it. But it can, if you have patience, if you're ready to wait for 4 5 months, yes, you can put $1,000 in, and that's going to become at least $5,000 for sure. 5x is definitely there, but I'm very conservative now. But I'm just giving a 5 cents prediction because of the supply alone, and they are integrated with a lot of other systems. But still, there needs to be a lot of work, a lot of marketing that needs to happen for Anchor. So overall, if the market goes down, I don't see anything below 1 cent for Anchor for sure. Even if it goes really bad, if Bitcoin goes to 12,000, 13,000, it might go to 1 cent. I don't see that going below that. It's got a strong uh, fundamentals, so I think people might buy at 1 cent. They will ape in and buy this Anchor. So I will leave it there for now. 5 cents is the target for Anchor. This is not financial advice. This is purely my analysis. I'm ready to wait with Anchor for 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. Put a little bit of a small position, take a small position, and sit on it for some time, and let the team work. Let they develop. Let they know show some output. I think that's a good project. Sometimes gems sit quietly like this, and suddenly one fine day they'll be up and running. So I would like to take some small positions on this and sit and watch. So that's my kind of doing analysis, and no, that's my kind of investing in crypto. Fine, guys. Hope it is making sense. 5 cents Anchor. Mark my words. Might be in Q1 or in Q2, but I'm very optimistic about Q1 when the market moves, when Bitcoin moves, when the market turns green. If we have a good FOMC outcome, let's hope for 5 cents. That's pretty much the analysis that I have for Anchor. If you have any questions, please let me know. You guys have a wonderful day and talk to you all soon. Cheers.